Welcome to Bears in Exile. Today is Wednesday, February the 6th, and this is a quick hit on metals. And here we are starting off with silver. Let me get to the right time frame. And I have to say that this one is massively frustrating at the moment. We still don't have a clear break up or down. And today's move was pretty darn good for the bulls. We can see here on the daily that we're now closing back above the long-term moving average bar, which is taking massive damage. We did not go down and re-hit the eyeball trend line here. And if we pull back, we still have the 14-day RSI moving average going up. The stochastics going along with it. It is messy. It is messy, and but there isn't anything as of today to really glom onto and say, all right, the expected downturn is imminent. So that is a little frustrating. Do we have anything different going on in the internal structure of volume? Well, we got a red today with the volume weighted MACD. So now 1 red and 4 greens. We are in danger on the accumulation distribution, but there's not enough development. There's just not enough development yet, and today was not a bad day for the bulls. So I am getting a little bit antsy here because if it does have a decent move up, we're going to have some problems pretty darn fast. Anyways, I'm also going to look at the 60-minute, just blow through it really fast. And here we can see the movement today, small gap down, moved up the entire day, higher close than yesterday. And from a volume perspective, the two big ones, accumulation distribution, we ended today with a green, which is not good for the bearish perspective in the immediate time frame. And the on-balance volume continues to be green as well. We're also in danger of having a volume-weighted MACD going green as well, in which case we'll have 4 greens and 1 red. The immediate time frame favors the bulls. And that's all there is to it, unfortunately. If we do get a higher close than yesterday, then it should be expected that it will be going up here for a retest of the recent high, just below 31.5. And don't really want to see that, but that is what will happen if we get a higher close tomorrow. And that's all there is to that. Going on to GLD. This one is still being weaker than silver, and it did not have a bad showing today either. For the first time, instead of getting kicked out of the long-term moving average bar, it actually was able to penetrate it pretty good and close within it. So you can see this is new in the recent history. So a very good showing for gold. It's very similar to silver, 14-day RSI moving average going up along with the stochastics. Different in that the CCI and the RSI and the MACD histogram are going up. So this also has a better look for the bulls in the daily time frame than it did yesterday. And if we look at the 60-minute here, we still have some movement to the upside on everything. There is some disagreement, but all in all, not a bad showing. If we look at the internal structure of volume, we also see we're very close to a positive cross on the accumulation distribution. We went positive today on the on-balance volume, and we went positive on the volume-weighted MACD whipsaw. But we did go negative on the dual volume flow. But all in all, 1, 2, 3, almost 4 greens, 1 red. Not good for the metal bears. And on the daily for gold, yeah, we do have Well, we just now got a green today on the on-balance volume. 2 reds and 3 greens. Not bad for metal bulls. Not bad. Not that I'm happy with that, but it is what it is. Don't want to bury my head in the sand. And here we are with GDX, which has been the key and the weak link. What does this look like today? Well, it wasn't a bad day for GDX. It would have been great if it had been down, but it was not. We have the stochastics going up, the CCI going up, the RSI going up, the MACD histogram going up, looking for a bullish cross on the MACD itself. This does not look bad in the daily for GDX from indicator perspective. Now, if we look at the volume on this, is there any changes? Well, we can see the unbalanced volume trying to go up. We have the volume price trend going up, looking for it to make a turn. This is still, volume-wise, definitely more negative than positive currently. Very interesting. And if we look at the 60-minute, because that we're very close to that descending trend line, and we don't want to break it, what do we have? Well, it's not that great for the bears. We're very close to a positive cross on the accumulation distribution. We are barely positive and have lots of room to move to the upside on the unbalanced volume. We are in danger of making a red on the dual volume flow. We are currently red on the volume weighted MACD. We have no immediate problems with the volume price trend. So if we do get that cross tomorrow on the accumulation distribution, the 2 big ones are green, and those are the 2 most important. So all in all, for metals, I have to admit tomorrow looks better for the bulls than it does for the bears, and that is what it is. As always, all investing decisions are your own. This chart and video are for entertainment, educational, and consumption of time purposes only. Thank you.